Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how you can download the official Windows 10 ISO from Microsoft's website itself so that you can install it in any of your laptop or your computers. First, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. And here you see this download now, but this is not the ISO. It is just an installation media. So if you click on it, you will not download ISO. You will download something called Media Creation Tool, which we do not need. So I'll just delete it. Okay. And now what you need to do is right click on it and click on Inspect. So now we are doing process to download the actual Windows 10 ISO, not any media creation tool. And now you need to click on this Wi-Fi icon or the network icon here. And if you don't see this, just click on this plus icon here and from here select network. Now in my case, it's already shown, so it's not available here. If it is not shown here, it will be available here, and click on it. And then it will come up here and click on it. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to click on this button here that says more network conditions. So click on this and this will appear. So in my case, it's already here, so it's not appearing, but if you click on it, this network conditions here will appear. Okay, and in this network conditions, you need to change your user agent. So uncheck this use default browser and you need to choose Chrome OS. So it might be something else might be selected in your case, but you just need to choose Chrome/Chrome OS. Click on this and now just reload this page. Okay, and let it reload. And this time here you can see instead of download now, you get to choose which Windows you want to download. So click on Windows 10 and click on confirm. And now it will take some time and will ask you the language. So I'll just choose English United States. And here you also have some other download options, but we will not go into these, and just click on confirm. And now it will take some time to validate your request. And finally, you get to choose, do you want to download 32-bit version or 64-bit version? So if your processor is 64-bit, you can install any one of these things. If you want to check which version is your OS, you can just, which version is your processor, you can just check the link in the description below. It will show you how you can check that. But in most cases, you can just click on 64-bit download. And as you can see, your download has started. So this is how you can download the latest version of Windows 10 by official Microsoft's website. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below.